Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be discussing once again the sales funnel, and you should now be at the point where you already have your list of subscribers that you're using in order to build up your business. You want to make sure you're capturing people that are not yet ready to come to your offer. At the same time, if you have been following the course, you should be at the point where you have a product in development and or near completion. Now, when you talk about product, we're really talking about an offer. And remember, an offer really consists of 4 offers ready to be placed inside of the sales funnel sequence. Now, when you start the process of creating your offers, you should be really setting your launch date about 2 to 4 weeks out. So think about when you are in development that you want to be launching in about a month, no later than a month once you start that process. Now, the launch is basically going to be involved a couple of things. Number one, you're going to be sending the offer to your own list. You're also going to be driving some targeted traffic to it. We're going to be talking about that in some upcoming videos. And you're going to get your affiliates to recruit it. Now, obviously, you'll need to be developing relationships with affiliates. We're going to be talking about that in the next video, but that is the next stage for your development of this product or your offer. Now, you want to set a launch date. You want to set a launch target date and fix it on the calendar. And one of the reasons that you want to do this is, remember, one of the most powerful ways to get traffic and get new buyers, relevant buyers, is to have affiliates promoting for you. And one of the things that having a launch date does, it gives you and your affiliates the opportunity to create a buzz around the product. I mean, hopefully you've got something unique that really does meet a need in the marketplace. And when there's a date and there's buzz about a product, and the affiliates can do that, well, that really does help and enhance their ability to sell to their subscribers. So a launch date is a very good thing for both you and your affiliate partners. Now, you want to make sure that to the best of your ability, that your launch date does not coincide with the launch of other more established marketers. You want to do a little launch research. There's sites like JV Notify Pro, and you can even do some launch research inside of GetResponse. Let's take a look at doing that right now. JV Notify will tell you, for example, that there are launches upcoming. You'll see one that is coming up in April. Right? You'll see those that are coming up in the next few weeks. And so by becoming a member of JV Notify Pro or signing up for the free account, you will get notice of launches that are upcoming so that you can either participate, of course, as an affiliate, but even more importantly, you want to make sure that if there's a launch that's going to interfere in your particular niche, you want to maybe consider doing yours at a different time. Now, there are other affiliate networks that you can take a look at. One that's new is called Deal Guardian. There are launches that take place on there. You might want to check to make sure that there are that the timing of your launch does not coincide once again to an extremely big and a launch that's going to have a lot of buzz from a lot of affiliates. You can also go inside of the JVZoo marketplace. And if you just go to find digital products to promote and you click the launched button, that'll give you all the dates in the future. And you'll be able to see some of the launches that are going to be happening. And you want to make sure that you understand what's going to be offered in your niche. You want to take a look at the sales page. And in some cases, you may want to promote, but at the very least, you want to make sure that if you are going to launch your product, that it has the best possible chance for you and your partners to promote and succeed with it. Now, even though you're doing launch research, keep this in mind. You don't need permission to launch your product. And you shouldn't operate from a scarcity mindset. So you shouldn't feel as if somebody else is launching a product that they're going to take all the sales and you're not going to have any. You've got a unique, well thought out offer and a decent sales funnel. You will have a profitable payday. There will be affiliates that want to promote you, and you will be able to generate income. You just want to make sure that you're giving your product and your affiliates the best possible chance to succeed. And if most affiliates will have a launch calendar, they'll have a promotional calendar where they consider what they're going to be launching in addition to the promotions they're going to do. And you want to make sure that if you have a partner and someone that you're working with, that they don't feel conflicted and that they don't confuse their subscribers. You want to give them the opportunity to give their subscribers a free reign with your product. Time to explain it. Time to really get them excited about it. So that's really the mindset behind working with affiliates, launching your product on a particular date for a big payday. And we're going to be talking about some of the other aspects of getting traffic to it, but setting the date and getting ready is a huge part of now taking your product to the point where it's now ready to be launched. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.